Bonjour, my fellow food enthusiasts. Today I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite French recipes, chouquettes. These little puffs of joy are so simple to make and so ridiculously delicious that you might want to hide them from your family. Or they'll disappear faster than you can say sacré bleu. Trust me, my friends and family practically form a queue whenever I whip up a batch. They don't last long, kind of like my patience when someone eats the last one. Let's get started. Grab a medium saucepan and combine water and milk. Now, crank up the heat and add the butter. Heat until it's steaming hot, but don't let it boil. Remember, we're not making a cafe latte here, folks. Once your buttery mix is nice and steamy, remove it from the heat and add the flour in one go. Don't be shy, just dump it in. Add your vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt, and some baking powder. Stir like your life depended on it. Soon it will transform into a glorious lump of choux pastry. And that's exactly what we want. No sticky sides here, just one big happy dough ball. Now back to the heated doughs, medium this time. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes and let all that extra moisture evaporate. It's like sending your dough to a spa day. It's all about balance. Next, transfer the dough to a stand mixer. Start mixing on a medium-high speed. Start adding the eggs one by one, making sure each is fully mixed in before cracking the next. By the end, your dough should be smooth, shiny, and looking like it's ready to hit the oven runway. Lightly grease a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Using a piping bag, a fork, or if you're feeling adventurous, a cookie scoop, make dollops of pastry about a tablespoon each. Channel your inner artist here, no judgment if they're not perfect. Sprinkle generously with pearl sugar. Don't hold back, this is the part where too much doesn't exist. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are deep golden brown. Your kitchen is about to smell like a Parisian bakery, so prepare for neighbors mysteriously stopping by. And voila, your chouquettes are ready to devour. Let me know in the comments if you managed to save any for later. Spoiler, I never do. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen adventures. See you in the next video. Au revoir and happy baking!